Hello and thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to set up Bluetooth on your Grandstream device. You can hit your navigation center button. You will arrow over to System. Then you will scroll down to Bluetooth. You can see that the Bluetooth status is currently discoverable, which is fine. That is the MAC address of this device. It is currently powered on, and if you would like to use this in hands-free mode, you can select that button, which will allow you to be able to pick up those calls from your Bluetooth device. That's the Bluetooth name. You can change this to be any name that you wish it to be. Then when you're ready to find your Bluetooth device, you can hit scan. I do not have a Bluetooth device. However, your powered Bluetooth device would show up. There is one available that is in the next room. It is not paired. If I wanted to, I could actually pair that, but I'm not going to. But you would then at that point in time arrow over and pair to that device with the soft key. So that is how that works. You should not purchase one of those cheap Bluetooth devices that they sell at Lowe's. The best device that we recommend is a Plytronics you can purchase those on Amazon or pretty much anywhere that sells those types of devices. So once you have that paired, you will be able to see that that is paired in the top corner of your device. And then you can place calls and receive calls using your earpiece or whatever Bluetooth device you're using.